Hey everyone, my name's Justin Botz with Inferno Mobile Recording and Media and the Chicago Park District. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a mask that responds to sound. You're going to need a few ingredients. A Gemma microcontroller. The Gemma microcontroller is super small, but has just enough built into it so you can make a ton of simple projects. It's perfect for wearable technology. A microphone, like the Max 4466, it comes fully assembled and is great for projects like a voice changer or another audio reactive project like this one. Some LEDs. There are a lot of LEDs you could choose from. I'm using Adafruit's LED Sequins, which come in a pack of 5 and are super small, perfect for a wearable art project. Some wire or conductive thread. For this project, I would actually recommend going with wire because it is covered in protective plastic, but I personally decided to go with the conductive thread because, well, I'd never used it before, but because of that, I used a lot of electric tape to make sure that the different lines of conductive material didn't cross paths. A battery that you can connect to your Gemma, a marker, a USB cable to connect your Gemma to your computer, and a mask. For the mask, you could make your own, use one you already have, or in this case, I picked mine up from a local craft store. All of these components are listed below in the description with recommendations on where to find them. Let's begin. Step 1. I created a plan for where I wanted my components to fit on the mask by using a marker on the back of the mask. Step 2. Here is the basic circuit and connections for the mask. You'll just have to make sure you're using enough wire or conductive thread to make sure you can place the LEDs where you want to on the mask. Once the LEDs are attach the microphone. Step 3. Program your mask. I've added a link in the description for the code that you're going to need to program your mask. But before we can do anything with that code, we're going to need to download a piece of free software that will allow us to send that code to the circuit on your mask. To do that, go to arduino.cc, click on Software and Downloads, scroll down until you see Download Arduino IDE. To the right, click on the option that corresponds with your computer. Again, in the description, I've left a link to some step-by-step instructions on getting your Gemma set up appropriately with the Arduino software. Once it's all set up, simply select your Gemma board at the top, copy and paste your code into the text editor, connect the Gemma to your computer, and run the program. You did it! Your mask should now respond to sound. When the sound gets louder, the LEDs will get brighter. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe so that you can be informed of all the cool new tutorials and digital art related videos we're going to be making in the future. Also, make sure you check out the Inferno cookbook by clicking on the link in the description. There you'll find recipes for all kinds of fun and creative projects and activities. Thanks for watching!